Super Ultra here, welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we'll be opening up 4 more of the LEGO Marvel minifigure CMF figures. So basically, I just need to collect the last 4 I needed, and yeah, again, I used the app on my phone to get the ones I wanted, and this is the last episode of opening these up. So yeah, I was out with my friend today and I thought I'd just pick 4 of these up, and I just got back and I thought I'd just get this video over and done with. So let's open these last 4 up. So yeah, let's open these last ones up. So yep, so we'll start off with this one. Yep. Yep, I believe this, I think this one's called, what's her name? Spider, we can't say the name of that one, but yeah. Let's build her. She has, that's pretty cool. And let's put her other mask on. Pretty cool. Put it to the side. Alright, that's that one done. Alright, moving on to the next one. I think this is the Cyborg Spider-Man. Cyborg Spider-Man. Yep, I think that's his name. Another cool figure. So let's put him to the side. There's there. Alright, got 2 more. This one is this one is Spider-Man and Mayday Parker. So basically, this is basically Peter and MJ's daughter. Still don't. If you guys don't know, I don't like Mary Jane one bit. She's so annoying. And here we go. We have Peter and Mayday Parker. Pretty cool. Put that to the side. And to wrap up the series, and to finish series off, we got Sun Spider. Let's put them together. The figure I least care. This is one of the figures I least care about, but he's part of the collection, so why not? With his crotches. And here we go. The last figure of the series to collect, and that is it. That was the last figure. Then there's only one left. There's only one more thing to do. So I'll be right back. One more thing to do. And this collection is complete. All right. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace. Oh, and I almost forgot. I'm gonna go put these in my city, and that's it. But yeah, again, see you guys later. Bye.